Hello FX, how you all are doing? I hope you are doing good. So today, me and my team, we're thinking that in this hard COVID times, we all have faced some or other casualties. But everyone would be feeling like, what if I can do something good for others? We have made a product which you can use to do that thing. Using helpers on map, you can register yourself on the map, and if you want to donate some things like medicines or goods, you can register yourself, and the person who are living on near about to your area can see your location, come to you for help, and take those goods from you. So now, helpers on hand created by Ayush, Zohaib, and me, Shubham. And by the way, this is the first hackathon of Ayush and Zohaib. So yes. So what is helper hands? User sign up using email ID and auth process. Second, user gives info about things which he or she can donate, like medicines or clothes. Third, we get his or her location and add him or her to the map on which users can see. Like, I want to donate something, I register, I give the description of things which I want to donate, and bam, I'm on the marker. And near about, if any person wants to receive something, he or she can see me on the map, come to me, contact me, and take those things from me. We are taking the location in form of longitude and latitude, so if you want to give your different location rather than your home, you can do that too. By default, we are taking your home location, the place at which you are currently at. So moving on next, who can use this app? A person who is in need of medicines or goods, a person who has extra medicines or food or clothes and wants to donate, medical shops for donating medicines which will expire soon and will be of no use. And timeline of our project, we created our project. Front end is made in React. We have used TomTom API for maps, and backend we have used MongoDB and Postman for API testing, and some UI changes at the last moment, as usual. So now I'll request my friend Ayush to give a live demo of our working application.
Thanks, Shubham. Let me take on. And yeah, so I hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes, we are able to see your screen.
Yeah, so as you can see, we have integrated the Savo Labs authentication using just email. Just type our email and it will give you the OTP. And yeah, I will wait for my OTP to come. And yeah, here it is. So yeah, as you can see, we are in, and yeah, this is our front end made by Zoeb and some UI changes by me at the end. And yeah, this is the about page, this is the contact us page, and yeah, let's just load it. You can see we are using geolocation API to get the coordinates of the person, and let me just type my details and type the description of whatever I'm going to donate. And yeah, so as you can see, it is submitted successfully. We'll hover over to donors and see on the map from where the person is donating. And yeah, to reach out any of the donor, you can just click on this and it will direct you to mail. And yeah, that's about it. Do contact us. Bye. That's all from my side.
So as you have seen that instead, like, this was first hackathon of Ayush and Zoeb, they had done a really good job. And with this, I hope you liked our product, the donation application, integrating with maps. And we enjoyed the DevX really. The sessions which you organizers has organized, those were really good. And thank you for organizing this. We really loved it. Ayush, Zoeb, you wanna add up something?
Yeah, it was a really great experience. Thanks, DefX, and all these sessions you organized.
Yeah, my
Yeah,
first experience was very great.
yeah.
Yes, we all enjoyed it.
Cheers.
Yes. So stay healthy, stay safe, folks. Bye. See you all soon.
Bye.
Bye.